What's up, everybody? Welcome to Advanced Weekly Update.
What do I say?
When you say, hey,
welcome. Yeah, that's right. Welcome to the Advanced Weekly Update. Happy to be here.
Yes, we're happy to have you. This is an Advanced Weekly Update featuring Teacher Gabe, a very special guest. And it's a holiday, isn't it, Gabe?
I'm very special.
You are very special.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. Happy Chinese New Year. It's coming up.
Happy Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year.
新年快乐. Yes, right. Happy Chinese New Year to you. All right, now this week.
And to Brandon, who's not here right now.
That's right. That's why we have Gabe here, is because
I know
Teacher Brandon is still traveling in the States, seeing some
I'm a
family.
poor replacement. Yeah. It's usually supposed to be out with the old, in with the new. It's supposed to be better, but sorry, guys.
I think, no, get out of here. This is wonderful.
Right.
I'm having a great time. Okay, listen. This week we got a couple of great articles for you guys to check out while you're on your New Year holiday. One of them is this article about how less is more. It's this interesting article. It's all about this new movement of it's not really new at this point. A lot of people are doing it, but it's the capsule wardrobe movement. Have you heard of that, Gabe?
No. I mean, not before I read completely this awesome advanced article. I better read that right now.
Yeah, go ahead. You take a look at that.
Wardrobe. Well, less is more. I better leave the shot so you can... let's see here.
Yeah, so the capsule wardrobe is all about people who want to reduce the amount of clothing that they have down to just a few essential items.
That's a great idea.
Right?
In theory.
In theory, right. It's not an easy thing to do.
My friend once told me, he goes, you know, Gabe, I'm really proud of myself. I only have 300 articles of clothing. I thought, okay. But actually, I thought about it, and a lot of people have a lot more than that.
They sure do. Yeah, and actually the capsule wardrobe movement is all about cutting your clothing down to 33. Just 33, almost.
Including pants and shirts and shoes and everything?
Yeah, well, not including underwear or socks.
All right, good.
Yeah, because that would be... Because
I have 33 pairs of underwear. Is that okay for advanced?
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. It's advanced, so it's all right. Yeah, we're all pretty advanced here. Well, that reminds me of one of the big things behind Chinese New Year, right? It's all about getting rid of the old and bringing in the new, right? What is it? 除旧补新. Was that right?
I think so.
补新.
除旧补新.
补新. Something like that. You can tell us if we're right or wrong about that in the comments below. But
be honest.
Be honest. We also want to know, that's kind of our question of the week also. Thinking about getting rid of the old, bringing in the new. Is there something in your life, maybe a habit that you would like to get rid of, and a new habit that you would like to bring on? Maybe you want to stop being late for things and start being on time.
Oh man, that's it right there.
That's right. Well, there's Gabe's right there.
David, that's the point of this, isn't it?
This is actually
just your way
this
of
is my way of
me what my problem is.
Thanks for joining, everybody.
Now I know.
No. But it could be any number of things, right? So why don't you tell us in the comments below, what is something that you want to get rid of and something that you want to newly bring into your life? Let us know in the comments below. Till next time, happy Chinese New Year.
新年快乐.
新年快乐.
除旧出新. What is it?
除旧补新.
补新.
Something like that. See you later.